Hey Nash, what should we make?
Let's take some of that birria we made and make birria grilled cheese.
All right, let's make a birria grilled cheese. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, where we like to take stuff we've made and use that to make other cool stuff. So we recently made birria. If you want to see that recipe and video are linked down below, but I figured we'd skip that for this. Look, there's been a lot of birria fusions made. The ramen I think is overplayed. I think everyone's made it. Tacos are just, I mean, that's kind of the norm now, even though it was originally made as a stew. But I recently saw birria grilled cheese and it looked amazing. And I'm definitely not the first to do it, but I haven't seen it everywhere like the ramen. So we're gonna give that one a try, and without further ado, let's go. For our cheese, we're going to grate some mozzarella and some Monterey Jack. So we got our griddle nice and hot. I rubbed it with just a little bit of beef tallow because you don't want too much oil or grease on this guy. And then we got our birria consommé over here. So we're gonna take 2 pieces of sourdough. We're gonna dip them in this. I don't want too much extra. And you want kind of a hearty bread because if your bread sucks too much or it's too soft, this is not gonna work. Then we put cheese that's roughly the same size as your bread. Obviously, I could probably do a better job, but I'm not. And then we just take these guys. Can I grab them with my hands? Is that a stupid idea? Yeah, that's a stupid idea. All right, oh, come on, dude. That was not intended. Then we're just gonna put that on top of that. Oh, thank God we don't have the same problem over here. Put that on top of that. Let that cook for a minute. Oh yeah, that's what we're looking for. Nice crispy cheese. Okay, we lost some and we made a huge mess, but that's par for the course. Then we're gonna take some of our birria meat, just throw it on here, try to make a nice even layer. If our meat to cheese ratio is such as the meat is more than the cheese, is it really a grilled cheese? I don't know. Who cares? That's my answer. I'm gonna add some extra cheese, because why the not? And then we take this guy, put him on there. Oh, that is not. Oh. Of course, we're making a huge effing mess over here, but that's okay. That's okay, it'll be worth it. And we flip that guy. We don't really need to melt the cheese like a normal grilled cheese because the cheese is already kind of melted except for that little bit of extra we added. Basically, we're just trying to toast our bread at this point. And then as soon as your bread is nice and crispy on both sides, your cheese is all melted, everything's good, you go ahead and pull this guy, and we assess what looks like a murder scene that we've created of our stovetop. And there we have our birria grilled cheese. Now let's go ahead and cut this guy open, and then let's see what we got. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, oh my God. Yeah, I don't think that qualifies as a grilled cheese, but who cares? It looks delicious. So let's go. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. We put so much meat on there, I don't know if it even still qualifies as a grilled cheese, but who cares? It's freaking delicious. The birria meat that we made has just such depth of flavor. It's very complex, it's savory, it's spicy, it's just so good. And then that ooey gooey cheese, and then dipping the bread in that consommé and kind of using that instead of the butter you'd normally use for a grilled cheese, it just amps it up. It's freaking delicious, and you should definitely try it. Out of 10. And that's what I think, but hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm good, man. Been learning all about birds and squirrels, so hopefully I can figure out how to turn them against each other.
Well, check it out. We made the birria grilled cheese you wanted, and of course we made a dog-friendly version just for you. Well, here you go. What do you think?
That's phenomenal. It's like a birria taco and a grilled cheese had a baby, and I'm here for it.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Everything will be okay in the end. If it's not okay, it's not the end.
Nash approves, I approve. Another killer fusion. Seriously, go make it. Thank you all so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second, go like, share, subscribe, hype, hit the bell for notifications, all that good stuff. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments. And hey, if you like this video, go check out some of our other cool fusion videos somewhere over here. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, be good and peace.